Crypto Bros, the day is finally come. Inspect XYZ is going to launch within 3 days on Ape Terminal. Ape Terminal, the new launchpad made by people who will basically moon probably each project launching on this launchpad. It's very early for the project. Inspect is going to be the first project launching on Ape Terminal. And the reason why I'm recording this video is to show you step by step how to enter IDOs on Ape Terminal so that you don't miss a chance on getting allocation into, first of all, Inspect, second of all, the future projects on Ape Terminal, the future IDOs. I think this might be one of the biggest opportunities in crypto right now. I think this might be one of the biggest launchpad this year and probably within a couple next years in the crypto space. You don't want to miss this out. You want to get in early. This is just the beginning for the project. There's only like 5,000 followers on Twitter. But without further ado, I'm going to show you step by step how to get early into Ape Terminal and into Inspect. So before we start, remember, I'm not a financial advisor and this video is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Always do your own research. Joining IDO on Ape Terminal is very, very, very simple. So first thing that you want to do, the first step is basically go into this website, ApeTerminal.io, and here you're going to see this website and click early access. Then you're gonna log in with your email. I'm gonna do it right now and get back to you after doing it. All right, so after logging in, you're gonna see something like this. This is called app.apeterminal.io, and you can see the home screen, automations, earn, watch list, my assets, quests, and launchpad. Now we're gonna focus on launchpad. So we are at launchpad section, then we're gonna just click join the IDO, and it's gonna take us to the website launch apeterminal.io/launchpad. This is the only legit page for the launch, so don't fall into any scams. So right now, if you sign up, you get 25 credits for the next launch. But the next thing that you want to do is basically connect your wallet after logging in. So after logging in and connecting your wallet, you should see something like this. So give balance $25. You should see your ETH balance and your wallet here. And basically what you want to do next, third step, is click here into upcoming launch and click participate now. So this is going to get you to this page, which is launch Ape Terminal project/inspect. And like you can see, the next project, like I told you, Inspect. If you haven't seen the video review on Inspect yet, go check this out. Click the video, it should appear right here or right here, and check the full review regarding Inspect. This is basically layer 2 for Twitter. It has already over 300,000 users. By scrolling down here, you can see overview of the project, key features, market track, the token metrics. You can see all the details here. If you're interested in that, just pause the video right now and you can see exactly what TG you're gonna get, what vesting you're gonna get. But like I say, I don't want to focus right now on the Inspect. I just wanna, but if you don't know about Inspect yet, just click the video and watch the full review. Right now we're gonna focus once again on the offering. So the fourth step that you wanna do is basically go in here, scroll down, like you can see Inspect, and click participate. Once again, public sale ends in 1 day and 4 hours. We're gonna click participate right now, and this is where we're gonna basically finally join the IDO. You can see the total amount of participants. It's right now 16,000 people. Total assets connected is $213 million. And right now we're gonna do the fifth step, which is basically joining the IDO. Right, and after clicking it, view your participation, we are here at this page. It's basically launch Ape Terminal IO participate/inspect/0. And right now my score is 3.33. Total participants is 16,500. Ways to increase odds, and this is very important for you to increase your chance of getting the allocation. Follow and share all content from Inspect and Ape Terminal Twitter pages on your social media channels, okay? And this is gonna increase your score as well. So I encourage you to check their Twitter and check their Telegram right now. This is their first launch. And look at the numbers, over $200 million connected, and total participants is 16,500 people. So just think of what's possible after the first launch after people see the returns from Inspect. This is kind of crazy to me, and this is something that I'm very excited for and just thrilled, and that's why I'm telling you, that's why I'm giving you here all the info. And also look at it from this perspective, that this money connected is potentially interested in buying Inspect, which can increase significantly the price at the launch and in the days after the launch. If people with this amount of money are interested in a project, then this likely is gonna also mean that they're gonna invest in the project. Once again, all the links to Ape Terminal in the description. Check this out. If you have any questions regarding the launch, regarding the IDO, regarding launching and rules, put them in the description of the video, and maybe I'm gonna give you an update on that. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.